Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the playlist on computer vision. In our last lectures, we were discussing about Opencv and we already saw on how to open an image using Opencv and how to draw certain basic shapes over an image using Opencv as well. In this lecture, we will be discussing on how to write text over an image using Opencv and also how to draw polygons over an image. So I guess you all might have used the basic image editing softwares that are available to us on your smartphones. Let's say you have a photograph and you want to write a text that he's a cool guy. So you directly go to the text button and write a text over it, right? So this is how you generally edit your photos. The same can be done using OpenCV as well, as it is a computer vision library and we manipulate images with the help of OpenCV. So let's just go ahead and get started. The code is self-explanatory and I guess you will be good enough to understand from the coding part. So I will quickly go and fire up my Jupyter notebook. So this is the same notebook that I used when we were working with basic shapes using OpenCV. So, but what I will do is I will go ahead and read the image in another new variable so as to avoid any contradictions. I will go ahead and write temp image is equals to. I hope you now remember how to read an image using OpenCV. cv2.imread trial.png, right? So I will go ahead and run this piece of code. So I have now stored my image in a variable known as trial.png. Now, uh, for writing a text, cv2 or OpenCV gives us a function which is known as cv2.putText. So I will go ahead and show you the prototype of the function. So as you can see, we have an image as an argument, we have a text as an argument, then we have the origin, that is from where we want to start our writing the lines or the text actually. Then we have the font, then we have the font scaling, color, and then finally the thickness. So I will go ahead and define all of these parameters in a separate cell. So the first parameter for me is the text, which I will write as hello Pokemons. After that, I now need to give the origin as well. So I will give the origin as, let's say, 130 comma 100, that is the xy coordinates. Then I need to give the font as well. So for font, I will give the Hershey simplex font, which is available to us by default in OpenCV. So I will write font is equals to cv2 dot font Hershey simplex. So this is the font I will be using, and then I will be giving font scaling as well, which is, let's say, 2, and then the thickness finally, which will be 3 in our case. So I will be also declaring a color. So I want this in, let's say, blue color, and since it's a BGR image space that OpenCV uses, so we will be giving it the color of blue, which is 255 comma 0 comma 0, right? So now what I will do is I will store all of these in the temp image variable again and call the cv2.putText function, in which I will pass in the image first, which is the temp image. Then I will go ahead and pass in the text, then the origin, then the font, then the font scaling, then the color, and then the thickness. After this, I will run this, and as you can see, it successfully got executed. Now, what I want is to show the image to the viewers. So I hope you now remember and you have revised how to show an image using OpenCV. So if you're thinking of using cv2.im show, you are absolutely correct and you are good to go ahead. I will go ahead and give the name of the window as window and the image as temp image. And then we'll be using the basic structure of cv2.wait key, 0 and cv2 dot destroy all window, something like this. I will go ahead and run this code now. So a new window will open with the text and the image on it. So let's do this. And as you can see, like, it's giving me an error saying that cv2.im show. Okay, it's okay. I have given the name of the file wrong. It's trial.jpg. So I will have to rerun all of these lines again. like this, and finally like this. So as you can see, like my text actually appeared on the screen which says hello Pokemon, right? So this is how you actually put a text over an image using OpenCV. Let's say I want to write his Pikachu, his Charmander, and his Bulbasaur, so I can do that as well. To give you a quick example, I will write his Pikachu as well in the like in red color, so that you're absolutely comfortable on how to write text using OpenCV. So I will go ahead and close this program as of now. And now I will copy paste all of these things, and I will do is like over here and write is Pikachu, and in the let it be at 130 only, but the y-axis, let's say, will be 500, so that it will be a little bit, or maybe 800 as well, so a little bit lower. And the color will be in the BGA format. I want the color to be red, so the third variable should be 255 over here, something like this, and this and this. I guess that appeared or not. Let me just see. Yeah, so as you can see, like his Pikachu is now appearing on the screen. So actually he's Charmander, but I actually did not give the correct coordinates. But yeah, anyhow, his Pikachu is also appearing on the screen. So like the basic goal was actually like showing you on how to write text over images using OpenCV, and I hope you are absolutely comfortable with it now. So see you in the next class, where I will be teaching you on how to draw polygons over an image using OpenCV. I hope you enjoyed this lecture and you learned something useful from it. See you in the next one.